When I'm connected to a 2018 and newer FCA vehicle, this is the screen I see when I try to go and scan the vehicle here with my scan tool. I'm using the Xtool IP919 Pro. And in this video today, we're going to go ahead and get access to the FCA AutoAuth and seeing what we can actually do. And towards the end of the video, I'll give you guys some tips in case you guys don't want to pay the $50 a year that is needed for this. And I'll let you know who and who cannot sign up for the service. So definitely stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome to Random Fix. So I have a 2019 Jeep Gladiator, and this is the screen that I see when I try to scan the vehicle. So in this video, I am going to get access to this. I'm going to type in my information and let's see what we can actually access once we have paid the $50, and if this is something that you should do, and if there's any workarounds. And since this is Bluetooth wireless, let's go ahead and go to the bench as it's pretty hot today. So to sign up for the FCA Auto Authority, it's going to be $50 a year. And I think that comes with up to 5 accounts. And overall, the sign up process is pretty easy, and it did not ask for any shop information. And I do not have a shop. So this is actually available for consumers if you need it. And I did add this to my AutoAuth portal. You have to go and input the serial number for the device. Here's a pro tip. If you haven't done it successfully, this is what you'll see when you try to log in if the serial number is not registered. You'll get this message right here. And when you have successfully registered your device, this is what will happen instead of getting that error code. You'll be able to do a health scan. Wow, look at that. Now it's working. This is pretty cool. There's the health report. I got a total of 9 DTCs. I can go and preview the list. Here's the report. I'm able to save this. And let's go to the PCM. Here in the PCM, I can actually do the actuation tests. Here's all the actuation tests. Let's turn on the radiator condenser fan. I can chart everything. And this is not OBD2, this is the OE side. So I can see the data feed from 209 different parameters. Body control module. And here's all the different actuation tests for the body control module. The HVAC module. Let me confirm that this is on the vehicle. And the blower fan inside the vehicle is not working. So just because an item is listed does not mean that it's going to be supported. I have a TPMS light on. Let's read the DTC. Let me go ahead and clear this. And let me see if it cleared at the vehicle. Light did not clear. Let me clear all these. And let's do an auto scan again. Okay, this is a little disappointing. So maybe I'm just having an issue. Let's see if the special functions work. Tire refit. And Jeep is not on here. Let's see if we're able to make a key. And the Gladiator is not listed. Let me start this all over. And I know I'm in the gateway because I can do an auto scan. And when I tried this with the security bypass cables, which are right here on a different scanner, I was not able to do the auto scan. I was able to access the bidirectional functions, but I was not able to do this. So like all scan tools, you win some, you lose some. So this particular tool either is not supporting this too well, or they need to do a major update. And I'll leave you a link if you guys want to see how to hook up these bypass cables for your newer Dodge Chrysler vehicles. And I'll even show you the location for the port. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, as I really do try to put a lot of hard work into these videos. And I give you guys the truth, and I'm not trying to hype anything up. So there we go. We tried it out and we got FCA authorization. If you're using a scan tool for work and it's your moneymaker, go ahead and get FCA authorization, as it's going to make your job really easy. If you're going to be just using it once in a while for your newer Dodge vehicles, you may want to look at one of these bypass cables. And I tried this Launch X431 Pro Elite versus the Xtool, and even though this is half the price, this actually works a lot better with the FCA authorization and without the FCA authorization.